5 Ninja Crispi Air Fryer 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5, 6-in, 1-glass air fryer for meal prep and more. Meet the Ninja Crispi Pro, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With 6-in, 1 versatility, air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and more. This sleek glass air fryer handles everything from crispy appetizers to a full 7.5 lb chicken for 10. Its modular design fits 2.5 QT for QT or 6 QT clean crisp glassware, perfect for meal prep or family feasts, and goes from frozen to golden in minutes, thanks to 1,800 watts of precision heating. Non-toxic, thermal shock, resistant, and paired with leak-proof storage lids, it's built for safe cooking and easy storing. The elevated glass design lets you watch your food cook, while fixed heat-safe feet protect any countertop. Includes everything you need to start cooking smarter today. Number 4, Amazon's top overall pick. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the Ninja Crispi Pro, Amazon's top overall pick. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a full family cooking system. With 6 QT and 2.5 QT thermal shock-resistant glassware, it goes from frozen to crispy in minutes. No toxins, no stress. Cook a whole 7.5 lb chicken, hello, dinner for 10. Or switch between sizes for everyday meals. 6 customizable functions, from air frying to dehydrating, plus precise temp control mean perfect results every time. Snap lock lids keep leftovers fresh, and the elevated glass design lets you watch your meal come together. Plus, fixed heat-safe feet protect any countertop. Includes everything you need to start cooking smarter, not harder. Number 3, 13-in 1 stainless steel toaster oven air fryer combo. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 13-in 1 stainless steel toaster oven air fryer combo. With dual heat technology, it sears and crisps simultaneously. Think restaurant-worthy steaks and golden pizza crusts. Cook smarter, not harder, thanks to the Smart Cook system and built-in thermometer that nails perfect doneness every time. Air fry with up to 75% less fat. Bake 65% faster than a traditional oven, and fit a whole 2 pounds roast or 6 chicken breasts in its XL capacity. Plus, it flips up to save 45% counter space when not in use. From air frying to dehydrating, this powerhouse does it all, so you can eat better, faster, and with way less cleanup. Number 2, 5-quart French door air fryer and convection oven. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 5-quart French door air fryer and convection oven. With the largest air frying capacity in its class, it easily handles family-sized meals. Think 5 pounds of golden, crispy fries with up to 75% less fat. 10 built-in functions, from air fry and pizza to dehydrate and bagel, mean endless possibilities, all up to 60% faster than conventional ovens. Cyclonic air technology ensures even cooking without rotating, while the sleek French doors open with one hand for effortless access. Non-toxic, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Plus, a chef-curated recipe book gets you started right out of the box. Healthy, fast, and fuss-free. This is smarter cooking made simple. Number 1, compact 4QT oil-free air fryer with crisper plate. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the compact 4QT oil-free air fryer with crisper plate. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, this all-in-one system delivers crispy, delicious results without the oil. The Ninja Crispi PowerPod brings full-sized air frying power in a sleek, handheld design. Cook a single serving in 7 minutes with the 5-cup container, or roast a 4 pounds chicken with veggies in the 4QT glass bowl. Both made from shatter-resistant borosilicate glass that handles extreme temps. With max crisp, air fry, and re-crisp modes, plus leak-proof lids and nesting storage, it's built for convenience, versatility, and easy cleanup. Safe on any countertop, it's the smarter way to crisp every time. So, that sums up my 5 Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great